Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin to Trust Wallet. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do to send crypto from KuCoin to Trust Wallet is to go over to KuCoin and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top right and then go over to Assets. Here, you need to click on Main Account. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And over on this page you will see all the tokens you're holding. You will also see that I don't have any tokens available on KuCoin right now, but what you need to do is to search for the coin you want to transfer. So once you have found the coin you want to transfer, you can go over to the operations section and then click on withdrawal. You'll then be sent over to the withdrawal page of KuCoin, and over on this page you will see that the first thing you need to fill in is the wallet address. So to find this address, you need to go over to your phone and then you need to open the Trust Wallet app. The next thing you need to do is to go over to Wallet in the bottom left and then click on the Receive button. You'll then see this pop up, and here you will need to search for the coin you want to transfer. Always make sure to select the same coin on Trust Wallet as you have selected on KuCoin, because if you transfer your cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. Since I'm transferring Algorand on KuCoin, I'll go ahead and select Algorand on Trust Wallet. Now you'll see this screen, and this is the address. So if you're not sure how to get your address from your phone to your computer, you can click on Share and then send yourself an email, or what I like to do is to go over to WhatsApp and then send my address in a private group of mine. Of course, you can also send your address to someone you trust. So if you're using WhatsApp to get your code from your phone to your computer, you can go over to web.whatsapp and then copy your address. So once you have copied your address, you can go back over to KuCoin and paste your address in. Once you have selected the address you want to transfer to, you'll now have to select the network you want to use. In most cases there will only be one network available, but if you need to choose between multiple networks, I recommend you Google something like which network to use to transfer and then the name of your cryptocurrency. So once you have selected the wallet address and the network, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of coins you would like to transfer. But like I said, I don't have any cryptocurrencies available on KuCoin as of right now, but I'll just fill in 100 Algorand, and once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, the last and final thing you need to do is to click on Confirm. Now, if you have any two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to go through the security verification process, but this is quite easy because all you need to do is to fill in your two-factor authentication code. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.